Welcome back to the GoGo channel. So today I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about what I've been working really hard on for the last month. I've been making masks, which isn't new. I mean, there's a lot of people making masks, but I wanted to do it because I really love making things out of used fabrics or used clothing. So sustainable and like reusing things, recycling. I also love the fact that they're unique, and my whole goal for it was because I have to wear masks, obviously. I mean, if you've watched my videos, you know what I already went through this year. I'm definitely not trying to get COVID. Nobody's trying to end up in the hospital again. It's just not going to happen. So I wanted to make masks for myself that were more interesting, because I had an N95, I had two, and the straps, because I was using them every single day, they go around your head, and they're like this plasticky, stretchy stuff. They broke. One broke when I was in a store, so I had to like literally walk around holding my mask and shopping with one hand until I could hurry up and get out of there. It was crazy. So I didn't want to throw them away because you can't buy them anymore, and I already had them. People gave them to me because of me being so sick. So I cut off the straps that were just hanging there because they were broken, and decided the first thing I wanted to do was make mask covers. So I wanted to make something that was shaped just like the N95 and could go over it, and then that had either ear straps or head straps. And then the N95 would be inside, so I still would get the really good coverage and safety measures of that one, but I wouldn't have to throw it away, and there was no way I was going to be able to buy a new one anyway, so I was still going to get the same benefit, but just have more decorative on the outside. So that's what I started out doing, is making those. And then I really like the shape of the other ones that go down around the eyes, and they really contour to the face. I feel like they are really nice and tight, and they just look, I feel like they look the best, to be honest. So I really wanted those, and I started doing research about what the safest ones were. You always want to have cotton as your fabric, and 2 layers, the minimum, is best, because I don't know if you watched the Today Show, but they were talking about masks on the Today Show, and they were discussing like how you can tell if your mask is safe. And basically, if you can blow out a candle through your mask, it is not safe, because if you can get that much air through it, that much stuff is coming through to you. So 2 layers of cotton at least. And so what I've done is started making those masks as well. But the thing is, like, if you buy like a men's button-up shirt or something like that, and you're going to make a mask out of it, you have so much material left over. So I'm like, well, okay, so why don't I just make more then and make them for other people, and I can sell them on the shop, and everyone gets the benefit of having cute masks. So that's what I've been doing. And I wanted to save it for this video so I could show the before and show the after. So that's what I'm going to do today, is just show you the before and show you the after. It's just going to be a short little quick video of flashes of how I made masks out of certain items. So I hope you enjoy this. It's a little bit different. It's not really a DIY. It is things that I've DIY'd, but I'm just basically showing them to you. If you do want a DIY of how I made the masks, because I kind of made up my own pocket for the filter, on the contour shaped ones, I can do that too. Just let me know in the comments below. And again, if you like this, please hit like and hit subscribe so you know when I make more videos. I'm going to have many coming up that are going to be really different. Let's get into the video.